We've got an Alde Compact 3000. First things to check is the reset button underneath this cap. Make sure that is pushed in. It will only click once if it has popped out. If it hasn't popped out or tripped, I mean, it will not make a sound. Also under the main plug at the back there's a little focus 2 amp fuse in this little tiny fuse holder. You'll have to pop that out with a screwdriver. The main thermostat can be tested with a multimeter. The elements can be tested with a multimeter. They should read 49 ohms-ish, 47 or 49. The relays are clicking, but there is no power at the elements. It takes a bit of effort to release the printed circuit board from these little pins here. You've got to squeeze them together and then pull them off. But try and be gentle as you can. On this particular model, the printed circuit board has a screw that needs to be undone at the back underneath the black spark unit. Take a photograph of where the wires go. The main culprit is these white relays here. They are 12 volts to make them work, the 12 volt coil, and they switch the 240 volt phase. So on the back you've got 240 volt phase along this track, but when you can switch you can test these by putting 12 volt on the back of them. The relay will click, but there's no continuity between the 240 and the connector to the element. So it is fairly easy to change these relays. You can see I have done the 1 kilowatt one, but now the 2 kilowatt one has failed, so I'm now going to change that. I have ended up replacing all 3. I thought, why not while it's out? So you have 1 switching neutral and 1 and 2 are phases. I'll leave a link in the description below. These control units are around nearly 600 New Zealand dollars to buy, but for 12 New Zealand dollars I have repaired the system. I got these on AliExpress. I will leave a link to the page that I got them from, but if you get them from elsewhere, make sure you buy the 16 amp ones. Don't get the 10 amp ones because they will burn out a little bit quicker. This is the particular switch board I have for this system. I didn't get a reading of power getting to the 2 kilowatt heater until I turned on hot water and heat and leave the 2 kilowatt on. Now testing both elements, there is now power getting to both of them. I hope this helps some people. Good luck.